thought you ain't going to war. Yeah. Nigga, you thought you ain't going to war. Nigga, when I was down, you were never there. I'm a car, the stunner, I never care. Nike Duffers a guap, I don't play fair. Please don't look at my play, I don't like shit. You can walk in my shoes, your feet will bleed. My extremes on the low, but she needs.
What's going on, everybody? Right now, welcome to vlog 12. Can you guys believe it? 12 days of vlogging. Holy frick. Anyways, guys, right now we are working on some new layouts for the business. We're doing custom layouts. So right now, we're just trying to optimize our content. We're just trying to make it the best we possibly can. You know, we're doing different type of experiments. We're trying new things, and we just want to make sure our content is the best we could possibly make it. And if we need to explore new ways, then we will explore new ways. Other than that, guys, shirts are coming in today. We're doing some renovations in the room. We'll show you that later. The lights still don't work for some reason. The electrician doesn't know how to put the lights on, or I don't know, something's wrong with the electrician. But we are working, we are twerking, we are getting the job done. Let's get it. Have you finished it, bro, or no?
It's done, probably 15% on it.
Can you get it done by like next 2 days?
By Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
Make a good one, man. I want this sales presentation
I'm
really
making a
good.
good one, a sketchy one, and it's gonna be good.
Okay, good. And have Moise help you, have Maz help you as well. Get them both to help you.
Yeah, they're working and they're helping.
Do like half slides, half slides, half slides.
They're giving me ideas and I'm like compiling everything.
Easy. Tell them to get the words.
Yeah.
Give them the words. And then you guys make the sales presentation.
Sure.
We're gonna use Calendly link, and then after that, the Zoom call's not gonna be you explaining everything on the camera.
Yeah, it's gonna be
the presentation. You're just talking over it.
Just talking.
Perfect.
For the time being, I'm like checking out with the service fulfillment and hitting up the clients about their campaigns. There are a lot of clients who campaigns.
There's a refund today too, huh? Refund?
Yeah, 3.
Try to convince them to pay, bro. Come on, try to convince them to pay.
I'm trying, bro.
Tell them that we'll do the big plan, the $600 plan.
Yeah, but the guy EK is not happy.
Why?
He said, why my card is charging?
Bro, he freaking bought the charge. You should show him terms and conditions that if you accidentally don't cancel, then freaking what are we supposed to do?
Yeah, he says just refund me. This is how you treat your artists. And blah,
what do you
blah,
mean, bro? I'll show him the terms and conditions on the freaking website. That's
yeah, I know. But he doesn't understand. I'm trying to convince him for the
Alright, guys, so we have a refund problem that we have 3 artists that need refunds, and we're trying to figure this all out. I don't like giving refunds because, okay, like, listen, if it was a refund just because they just wanted to cancel before they wanted to start the campaign, I get that. But they just like don't know how to cancel their own subscription. That's like not canceling. That's like not canceling their subscription on Netflix or something like that. And then, oh, I want a refund because I forgot to cancel. That's their fault. There's an option for you to cancel at any time. So I don't want to hear this. What I'm gonna tell them is, listen, bro. You got 2 options. One, you can get your refund in 15 days, or the second option, you can get your you can get an upgraded plan. So like, like we can keep them and retain them. We'll see what we can do.
I've been mentally broke for a long time. Since grandpa died, I had no shine. In the dark, moving smart, I had no signs. And I cancel the game, they don't know mine. Had to work from the dirt of the opposition. Had to make me a lane with no competition. When I get to the bridge, know the gang is winning. If you mess with the gang, get your winners tinted. Nigga, I need a bridge, money galore. I don't got time cause I work 24. 7 of my hitting 20 years and my aim so precise. We gon' knock off his paws. You put in work, I put in more. You want the work, we at the door. One to the head, right to the floor. I don't think he gon' talk anymore.
Okay guys, so I was looking at my stock portfolio, and man, I'm invested into I've invested into a lot of energy and tech stocks. It's pretty much, I've concentrated my money into one specific region in the stock market, which is renewable electric vehicles. Let's take a look at the old portfolio, huh? Shall we? Let's check it out. Okay, let's go. One day, $242. That's not bad. 1 week. Oh, we're actually positive for one time in my life. Let's get the 1 month. Oh, $3,800 negative. That's not bad. But if we go to the 3 month, okay, buddy, this is getting overwhelming. Minus $19,000, bro. I'm not selling though. I didn't sell a single dime because I believe in the future. I believe in electric vehicles and they're gonna be the future of this world. So I'm not selling. I may be down half my portfolio, but I'm not going to sell, okay? And let me show you something else, remember? If we go to the 1 year, I was up 50,000 because I freaking made $14,000 off AMC. That was insane. But I invested at the peak of the stock market crash, whatever, I guess you could say the correction, and boom, look at these, bro. It's really going down. But I am confident that we're gonna hit $50,000 again. Maybe in like a year from now, but it's going to come back because I firmly believe in this. And there's a lot of different technical analysis I could get into and why I believe in that, but just know that I did my research and I strongly can sleep at night knowing that this stock market's down, but I'm definitely technically, investing into the right businesses. Other than that, guys, negative $18,000, $19,000.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
Alright guys, so I'm making the sales presentation. I'm trying to make this a catchy one. So I've made some pages I'm going to show you guys. We started in 2018, everything, we're working in LA, blah blah blah, and we're working on it. Like, it takes some time, but it's gonna be so cool. Okay, so we're making this presentation because we have a lot of...
Told you so. This guy thinks that, oh yeah, I'm making the presentation to better my clients. I told you so, bro. Yes. So don't try to scam my clients or scam my fans.
But we have a lot of Zoom calls lined up, so we have to talk to the clients for a long time. It takes 30 minutes to go on a call with the client. So we're making a presentation and we can cover client in 15 to 20 minutes. And
Exactly. The goal of this presentation is to make a structure for the sales team to follow. So if Zane wants to take the call, he can. If Moise wants to take a call, they can. And they follow the same principles within the business. That's what we're trying to make this presentation for, and to better ourselves. We want to be better than all these other stupid companies that don't have a presentation, and we want to better and outdo themselves. So this is what we want to do it.
yeah, so subscribe our channel and let's get it.
Hey guys, what's up? So you're shooting vlog again? Okay, so yeah, I was kind of, busy with some things. As you can see, the whole screen is red. So this means that we are having some troubles with some clients. By trouble, I mean, there are some aspects of our campaigns that, we have to put specific importance on. And if, we miss out a single thing, the target audience can, be different, the demographics can be different, it will hurt our campaign. So at the moment, yeah, there's a lot of red and this is not good. And me and my team, we are currently working on, making it green or a better color, which we in our department call re-optimization. You would have heard it a lot. A lot of re-optimization is required here. So, hard day.
Hey guys, as Fazan said you that we are re-optimizing the campaigns. As you see that lots of red in there, so we are trying, but you can see that after re-optimizing the campaigns we are getting an amazing results. As you see that the 5K streams in one day, and I think this is amazing.
7 of my hands, 20 years on my hands, so precise, we gon' knock off his pores. You put in work, I put in more. You want the work, we at the door. One to the head, right to the floor. I don't think he gon' talk anymore. Boy, run it. Damn, a nigga so cold, got him sick to the stomach. Money a drug, then I been out the hundreds. Addicted to chasing, I mentioned the song. Poker on me, I might sticker or song. Shorty got me, I might liquor or song. Buy a Corvette when she with her son. He talking how he ain't with her or none. This shorty a horse, nigga, yeehaw. I never see her. She pass the box and catch a live receiver. Crazy, my ex is acting like I need her. Got me a Spanish shorty, muy bonita. She always acting up when I get near her. Ex is my son, I'm looking in the mirror.
Alright guys, so today is Saturday, vlog 12, doing pretty important stuff today. Like I said, I'm still learning coding, I'm still freaking trying to figure everything out. So as of right now guys, we have a few team members that are not doing the night shift with us anymore. So they're moving on to different dates and times. So we have one of our service members that are going to be moving into the mornings, so 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then we have another sales guy that's moving up to 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then we have another sales guy that's moving to Sundays, so he's going to be doing Sundays now. So it's a lot of things that I have to take care of, when I'm especially doing all these kind of stuff. So yeah guys, just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I want to show you guys the real estate project. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. They finished the first floor for the real estate project, and it looks really, really cool. So we might have to take a trip out there to go check it out. We might have to go take a trip out there to go check it out because it's insane. Might have to pull out the drone on them. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and it's a Trapper, and I'm broke. Thanks.
So precise, we gon' knock off his pores. You put in work, I put in more. You want the work, we at the door. One to the head, right to the floor. I don't think he gon' talk anymore. Boy, run it. Damn, a nigga so cold, got him sick to the stomach. Money a drug, then I been out the hundreds. Addicted to chasing, I mentioned the song. Poker on me, I might sticker or song. Shorty got me, I might liquor or song. Buy a Corvette when she with her son. He talking how he ain't with her or none. This shorty a horse, nigga, yeehaw. I never see her. She pass the box and catch a live receiver. Crazy, my ex is acting like I need her. Got me a Spanish shorty, muy bonita. She always acting up when I get near her. Ex is my son, I'm looking in the mirror. I'm riding with sex, I swear I ain't a hero. My pockets get fat, I'm calling them Shapiro's. Give me brain, no nigga psychic. I am a puss, but a nigga minus. Love my kids, shorty really like it. Slum me like a sinus, shorty call me highness. Hop on the way, baby, I'm a pilot. New Year's Day, girl, boy, I push. Work like you say, don't work like this. If it ain't about money, baby, I don't nigga, like I need the breach, money galore. I don't got time cause I work 24. 7 of my hand, 20 years of my ain't so precise. We gon' knock off his paws. You put in work, I put in more. You want the work, we at the door. One to the head, right to the floor. I don't think he gon' talk anymore. Nigga, I need the breach, money galore. I don't got time cause I work 24. 7 of my hand, 20 years of my ain't so precise. We gon' knock off his paws. You put in work, I put